guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you press the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything that I post. So on today's video, as the title says, we'll be talking about pads, how to put on a pad and how to choose the correct pad for you. So basically there is different brands out there. There's a lot of options to choose for. So you ask yourself, how do you choose? Firstly, you need to know your flow. You need to figure out, am I losing a lot of blood at once, or my blood just comes out in small portions? Or am I one of those who has a lot of blood coming out at night and less blood coming out during the day? You need to figure out that, and that information will help you know which pad to buy. Secondly, you'll have to test drive the pad, not literally ride on the pad, but put it on for the entire 6 to 8 hours and see how your body reacts to the pad. Some people have an allergic reaction to Kotex, others have an allergic reaction to Always pads. We differ. Each and every person is different, so you need to try on the brand. If the brand doesn't work for you, you move to the next one, but you need to know whether you are heavy flow or light flow. So I'll be using 3 different kinds of packets, but the same brand. Yes, it's the same brand. They are all Always pads. These are all Always pads. I use Always pads. My kids use Always pads. We've been using it and we are not reacting to it, and I'm loving spending my time using this one because it works for me. It absorbs the blood, it absorbs a bit of the odor, so I don't smell as much as I would normally smell with other brands. So I prefer Always pads. So let's go through these different packets. We have this Always Maxi combo. So basically you'll find Always pads, some brands is just a smaller pack like that. Even Always pads has a smaller pack like this, but this one is a 2-in-1 combo pack. So with this combo pack, it's written Maxi. It's Maxi, but the Maxi doesn't refer to the flow, whether you are heavy flow or light flow. It's simply talking about the thickness of the pad, the absorption, the ability of the pad to absorb. So this one has maximum ability to absorb, but it is a normal size. If you can look here, there is 3 different sizes of pads. It shows you this one as a normal size. So if you're not having a lot of blood coming out, you can use this. Even though you're having a lot of blood coming out, you can still use this because of the Maxi. The Maxi means it can absorb more blood that comes out. Let's move to the next pad. So if you're one of those people who have a heavy flow or a lot of blood coming out, especially during the night, this is the pad for you. Like, this is the brand you should consider buying, and this kind of a pack is the one you should consider buying. So this one, it's a 2-in-1 as well, just like this one. The only difference is that this one is a daytime pad, or for people with less flow, or less flow per se, and then this one is for people with heavy flow. So basically it's written there ultra night. So this one, it's very thin but does as much work as this one, and then it is a bit longer than normal, so it's good for at night. Then we have another one here. It's also Always Ultra. This is a smaller version of this one. So it's the same thing, and then they can show you here. You just need to find something like this on your brand. So this one, it shows you that this is the one that you have chosen for heavy flow. So you are able to see it's for heavy flow. Let me look on this one as well, because I know they all show. You see, even this one, it's for night heavy flow. And then oh, this one I did show you guys that this one is a normal size. You can see this, so you need to be able to read this. The bigger the pad here, it shows you that it's for people with heavy flow, and it's normally recommended for night use. So now that we know the pads, I'm not gonna open them, I'm just gonna show you the ones I opened. So it's this one. Once you take it out of the packet, this is how it is. It's a tiny version of it. And then with these two, this is the size. It's thin but bigger and longer than this one. So like you can see, this one it's much smaller, this one is bigger. This is good for when you're having heavy flow. So I'm gonna use the smaller one to demonstrate to you guys how you will put on your pad. So what you will need is, boom, your underwear. I'm hoping most of you guys don't have a big size like mine, but either way, boom, we got it. So you need to figure out your underwear first. So you need to know where's the back part, where's the front part. So with my underwear, I usually look at this. This is what will show me, the tag will show me this is the back part of my underwear. So this is the back part, this is the front part. Now that is sorted. Okay, so where is the part where your vagina is supposed to sit? So now there is the spot where my vagina is supposed to sit. Normally they'll use more cotton here to try and show you that this is where your vagina will sit. So there'll be more fabric here compared to the other ends. As you can see, this one, there's nothing in that corner, there's nothing in this corner as well, it's only here. So this shows you that this is where your vagina will sit. Okay, now that we have sorted out the underwear part, we'll start opening our pad. So you'll open up your pad like that. There we go. So yay, I forgot the most important thing. Before you open your pad, you need to wash your hands. So guys, do wash your hands. Wow, like literally static electricity, guys. Did you see that? Look at this, static electricity. Okay, so getting back to the topic, once you're done washing your hands, you'll open your pad, take it out, and then guys, this is the front part of your pad and this is the back part of your pad. And in this part of your pad, we call it the wings. This part of your pad differs from each brand to the next. Other brands don't have the wings, so this one has wings. I don't have one that doesn't have wings. I prefer my wings because they keep the pad secured in my panty or underwear. So yep, this is the pad, how it looks. So you are all sorted with that. So now we will take our underwear and place it on our hand like that, so that you guys can be able to see nicely. So once the pad is placed there, you'll remove this back part of your pad like that and then put it on top of your underwear like that. So now it will be sitting like this. Then excuse me, you'll go for the wings. You'll remove the sticky part on your wings like that, and then you put it at the back of your underwear wing. Let me turn it like this so you can see this side. So that is, you just push away like that. Then after pushing it, you flap it to the back of your underwear like that. So this is how your pad will look. This will be the bottom part of your pad, and then this will be the inside of your pad where your vagina will sit, and then it will sit like this when you are wearing it. Then once you are done putting on your pad, you go and wash your hands and make sure you dispose your papers correctly. Then you remove your papers and put them in a bin, because we do not pollute the environment. So you put them away like that and you're all sorted. So now let's talk about how long do you keep this pad. Now you have your pad on, how long do I keep it? So pads differ according to brands and it will also depend on your flow. So some brands, they can say you can keep it up to 8 hours. So let me look for this one. Okay, this one is not written. Let's see this one. And this one, it's not written as well. Let's try the last one. Maybe the last one has something. Oh, there we go. So this one, it's written 8 hours. You can keep it up to 8 hours. So now we need to figure out how long do I keep my pad, because these ones are not written how long am I supposed to keep my pad on. So you keep your pad on every 6 to 8 hours, you'll change it. So you can keep your pad for up to 6 hours or 8 hours, but you should not keep it for more than 8 hours. Then you change your pad. But you don't have to keep it for 8 hours because this pack says 8 hours. If your flow is extremely heavy, you will have to change it maybe twice in that 8 hours, maybe every 4 hours, maybe every 6 hours. It will depend on how heavy your flow is. And even if your flow is not heavy, you don't have to stay with the pad on for the entire day. You have to change it for every 6 to 8 hours. You have to change your pad, because if you don't change your pad, you will start smelling. So when you change your pad, you also do the same thing as I explained. You will, this time you won't put on the wings last. You will start with the wings. You'll remove your wings from the pad, then fold it. You remove your wings like that on the pad. There we go. Once you remove the wings, you remove the pad this side, then you fold your pad. After folding it, you don't leave it like that. You'll wrap it with a toilet paper, newspaper, a plastic, whatever that is at your disposal that you can throw away, but making sure your pad is securely covered. So you'll throw it in your dustbin after you're done. If you're using a pit toilet, there's something we call a pit toilet, where they dig a hole in the ground then make a toilet there. So if you're using a pit toilet, you can throw it inside your pit toilet. We do not ban our pads, we do not flush the pads, so make sure you throw it in the correct place. Then after throwing your pad away, you wash your hands again. No? So make sure you wash your hands all the time, because hygiene is of importance. And you can see there is corona happening right now, corona pandemic. So you also need to keep your hands clean to prevent yourself from getting coronavirus. So guys, I love you very much, and I love you, 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 love you. Make sure you press and like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on anything that I post. Mwah, 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 mwah.